to indicate good health or condition. Feel well, be well, look well. She doesn't feel well today. He was sick last week, but now he is well. You look well after your vacation, to express skill or proficiency. Do well, perform well, work well. She did well on the exam. The company performed well last quarter. This software works well with the new system. To emphasize thoroughness or quality, well prepared, well done, well written, she was well prepared for the interview. The steak was cooked well done. That was a well-written article to introduce or continue a conversation. Well then, well anyway, well you see. Well then, let's get started. Well anyway, let's move on to the next topic. Well, you see, it's a little complicated to indicate a satisfactory or positive state. All is well, go well, end well. All is well, now after the problem was fixed. I hope everything goes well with your project. It was a difficult journey, but it ended well. Common collocations with well. Well-known, well-aware, well-worth, well enough. He is a well-known author. I am well aware of the risks involved. This investment is well worth the effort. She wasn't feeling well enough to go to work.